clothes?
Yep.
Holy.
Rolling pin.
I like that. Baking.
Baking. Well, we need a new toad, huh?
You're proving right now that it ain't worth much to me to go get a freaking thing. Go get a pallet.
This is a mystery pallet.
It ain't a mystery if everything in the boxes are what they are.
Oh, that's a chair.
So is the what you got in your leg next to.
This?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, chair.
Chair.
They're not a mystery.
But they've been opened, so it may not be a chair.
What is this?
Looks like a mailbox. It's a paper mailbox. Should put that on my wall at work, you know, for people to leave notes. There's Pedro. There's Malcolm.
Those of... Oh, sensor.
Just throw in there, please.
Oh, I like this. Like this.
Okay.
Close.
Good.
Ta-da!
Ha, cute. There you go. This is for here for one of your kids.
Oh, sweet.
Was that what was in those?
Yep.
Your sister was like, I know one of his nieces that would love one. But you can take that up to him.
So small.
Oh, look, here you go.
Yeah.
Sean Luke. Sean Luke.
Bunny
Oh,
bunny.
he'd kill himself in those things.
It's all like...
Sounds pretty good.
You're stupid.
Look.
We can just put it here, baby.
What's
Big
this?
thing with a package.
About here?
No,
Your
it didn't.
mouthwash?
I was already there. I've been there. They tried to rope me in on that shit.
Thing was for the iPhone. You didn't get an iPhone.
No, because I'm not stupid.
What's that?
We didn't upgrade.
One year lifetime halogen bulb. 10 watt.
For
They'll
what?
probably work on your brake light. For a fridge or something.
Ew. That was probably on someone's.
That's got a fucking Samsung screen.
You need a little hair trimmer?
You got an iPhone with a Samsung screen.
Swimsuits.
Yeah, I think there's a
Samsung
curtain or
sold their
something.
screens too.
There's a sheet.
Oh!
iPhone
Get
can't.
something.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, cute!
Cute. Yeah. Throw them down there.
Wait.
What's this thing?
So you got totes with no lids?
It's a bop it.
A bop it! I haven't seen one of these in years. That's sweet.
It's in there.
Like that.
So that we can properly. Nice little carpet.
Wait till you use
For the
underwear.
babies.
Oh wait, that's it.
Huh? Wait to get what?
Use underwear.
Scratch and sniffs.
What are these? Are these?
The drapes.
Oh, they're curtains. Very nice.
Very nice.
Oh my God, it's a Pokemon! Da-da-da-da!
Pikachu.
My partner Pikachu.
Done with this one.
There's underwear.
It's also for
Oh, snack, Cadbury eggs.
Hey, them are still good.
Face and body drops.
They were literally.
Oh,
for
self
sale.
tan drops.
I eat them bastards.
What?
Let me see. Tissues.
This was in there too,
Body
baby.
drops.
This was inside there too. I'm not sure what it is. This was the full of them.
This would be something for like Trish or her if she used
There's
moisturizer.
3. Look at baby.
And it actually helps tan. Helps you tan.
Those are actually nice.
She's the tannest one out of all of us.
I know.
no need for
But
10.
you add this to your a moisturizer to make yourself tan.
RC car looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a slide winder. Look at this thing.
I was checking that out.
One of the coolest things in the box.
You can go 3-wheel? Oh, for
Next box.
That's actually what's in it.
What? Furniture?
Yeah,
Oh, an ottoman.
it's an ottoman.
Ah,
With
that's
the
cute.
storage. Wow, awesome looking ottoman.
I like it. Ooh.
That one fell off your truck.
Look at that.
Fancy.
It's like it, yeah, it's just a
Yeah,
little
it's
tweak.
tweaked.
Ah, that's why maybe they return
It's
it.
definitely fixable. I mean,
Just need a sledge.
yeah.
Couple taps, good to go.
We'll get to that in a moment. Right, cocaine. Huh?
It's hardware.
It smells like it's, see, that's why it's like lotion or something.
Recording.
What good things?
Recording, don't say that.
Oh, here.
I can mute it. Oh, that's fancy.
It's a
Farmhouse.
Oh, I like
Pedro.
that one.
That's all me all day.
And tomorrow.
Oh, look. Cute.
Itty bitty shoes.
Pedro.
Oh, the macaroni.
Definitely for me. It gets
Pedro
irritating.
again.
It sucks when the hairs get stuck on it.
Pedro again.
What is
That'd
that?
be good for Sean.
Yeah,
Looks like he already got to it.
yeah. It's like you chewed on it.
Half
Light,
two. It lights up.
lights up. That's
He
like
beat it.
blanket set.
I like it.
What's that? Fridge liner, antimicrobial.
Fancy.
Oh, Pedro again. Oh my gulay. Pedro again.
Cute.
It's too big.
Chamberlain.
That's too big. Oh.
No kidding.
I need the halter top.
Yeah, that'd be good for Sherry Lynn.
Chamberlain?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
7. I don't, she's 7?
Yeah.
What's this one? This one is Jason. Yeah, this one is Jason.
No. No way.
This one is
So
Jason.
So bright.
It will show make package look big.
That's Pedro. He needs it for his wrestling guy.
No. This one is Pedro.
It's funny.
You're holding it sideways.
What?
You're holding it sideways.
And you know because you have,
Right.
Because
right?
you can see the tag.
Purple.
Yeah. Purple.
I could rock that.
Oh look, even here it's showing camel toe.
I could rock that.
I bet you could too. Carpet. This one's cool.
Does it match the drapes?
Oh, I like it. Yeah.
Maybe. Let's pull it
Cover.
aside. Funny because he's been there. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, maybe Pedro. Yeah.
Oh, see, now that's more
This
my
is
style.
small.
Yeah, that's your size, baby.
Mm.
Let's get this neat. What the hell is that?
If I put those on it, look,
Dirty. Clean. So you leave it by your bed? You know, that
I
way in
think
case
it's
of
for the
extracurricular activities, you know? The early
Restaurant.
warning.
If the table is not yet.
you can put aspirin next to it.
This is
No excuses.
this is a plush blanket.
Oh,
that's
I love
Yeah.
that one.
It's a micro
So
plush
comfy.
blanket. Yep,
Partially used.
full or queen. Another mat.
Oh, cute.
This one's like a shower mat or something. It's a
Yeah, it's the.
kitchen. It's a kitchen mat.
It's got the memory foam.
Yeah, there. Okay.
Put it in the
cute.
That's it.
And all chairs?
These are chairs, yeah. Four chairs. They're nice chairs.
You need to go back and buy another one. Maybe you get the table.
Right.
Missing. So all these
And the tops
boxes
to all those
are
others.
chairs.
Right. The nest. Well, that's where the smell is coming from.
I'm smelling it.
I smell it.
Someone poopy in the box?
No, it's like lotion or something. Yeah, something is broke.
Huh?
Something is broke there for sure.
Uh-oh.
Who returns Colgate?
I know. It's the wrong kind of toothpaste. Tastes nasty.
There's baby wipes.
Oh, wow, okay.
Okay, alright.
Candles.
Broken.
Broken
Was
candles.
candles.
Yeah, it was candles.
Oh.
Yeah. But I mean, we got them candle posts.
Just have to deglass them.
Right. Have to deglass them. We'll just leave those out to give to Sherry Lynn, or? So like this one.
Let mine turn. Right? The chairs like I got at home. Never been open, so I guarantee that's what's in them.
See?
It is a chair.
Sent to
Yes.
the guy.
No.
for-
Oh yeah, it's a chair.
Brand new chair, never used. No ass smell too.
Ass smell, yeah.
No us.
Free from stranger ass.
Let's check.
Make sure it's not disappointment.
Yup, I like that one. It's a chopper, so not gonna. It'll be easier. Oh, what's that?
Broken piece. On top of that, broken. Very bottom.
Oh, yeah.
See it?
Oh, that's why they return it back.
That's why.
But still, it still works.
Yeah,
Still.
it'll work.
So yeah, that one is with the mystery box.
Yeah.
But this one I like it. Onion, carrots, garlic, and make some sauce. It'll be easier for me. It's cool. Works well. Still a win-win.
Win-win.
It's a win-win.
Oh, you can control the speed right here.
Yeah.
You go faster.